Functions of the nervous. The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and a huge network of nerves that are spread throughout the body. The nervous system is responsible for sending, receiving, and processing messages in the form of chemical signals called impulses. There are three general functions of the nervous system in man and animals. Number 1. Sensing specific information about external and internal conditions. In the example above, this is seeing your friend. Number 2. Integrating that information. This is the understanding of the information coming from the eyes. Number 3. Issuing commands for a response from the muscles or glands. This is the reaction of walking towards him. Helps maintain homeostasis. The nervous system provides us the ability to perceive, understand, and react to environment events. That is why the nervous system is so extremely important for human behavior. Advanced organisms have specialized sense organs, which are designed to react to stimuli. These are often called receptors and are sensitive to one stimulus. Example, skin to touch, eyes to light patterns, etc. The changes in the environment to which living organisms respond are called stimuli. Living organisms respond to stimuli in the form of body movements. Example, heat, cold, sound, smell, pressure, gravity, water, etc. The reaction or action of organisms in reply to the stimulus is called a response. For a proper response to stimulus, many organs in the body should work together. The working together of various organs in an organism to produce proper response to a stimulus is called coordination. In animals, control and coordination is done by the nervous system and the endocrine system. A neuron is a unit of the nervous system. The nerve cell or neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Neuron is a highly specialized cell which is responsible for transmission of nerve impulses. The neuron consists of the following parts. A. Cyton or cell body. The cell body, that is soma or cyton, is somewhat star-shaped containing a nucleus and cytoplasm. It has many hair-like structures protruding out of the margin. These hair-like structures are called dendrites. Dendrites bring information to the cell body. B. Axon. The neuron has a long nerve fiber called the axon. This is the tail of the neuron. It ends in several hair-like structures called axon terminals. The axon takes information away from the cell body. Bundles of axons are known as nerves, or within the CNS, that is central nervous system, as nerve tracts or pathways. C. Myelin sheath. Myelin coats and insulates the axon, except for periodic breaks called nodes of Ranvier, increasing transmission speed along the axon. Myelin is manufactured by Schwann cells and consists of 70 to 80% of lipids, that is fats, and 20 to 30% protein. D. The junction between the axon and the dendrites of the next neuron is called the synapse. At the synapse, the axon fibers and dendrites are not in direct contact. The space between them is called synaptic cleft. Within the axons are synaptic vesicles having chemicals called neurotransmitters. Messages pass through the nerve cells in the form of chemical and electrical signals called nerve impulses. The dendrites receive the information and start a chemical reaction which produces electrical impulse which passes through the axon. Types of neurons. Sensory neuron. Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs, that is eyes, ears, etc., to the brain or spinal cord. Examples are retinal cells, olfactory epithelium cells, etc. Motor nerve. Motor nerves carry messages back from the brain or spinal cord to all the muscles and glands in the body. Examples are spinal motor neurons, pyramidal neurons, Purkinje cells. Interneurons or mixed cells. The neurons present in the brain that connects the sensory and the motor neurons are called interneurons or mixed neurons. Examples are dorsal root ganglia cells.